How to see who shared my post on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down, tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now again scroll down and there is notifications option available, simply tap on it. Now once inside notifications, tap on the more activity about you option available there. Once you tap on the more activity about you, you will get to see shared post options available there or username of the people who have shared your post. Make sure that all the switches are toggled on in order to see this. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.